In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete a product from your Sellfy store. If you've got a listing that's outdated, discontinued, or was created by mistake, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove it from your storefront and take down its product page. Because this action is permanent, I'll also point out a few quick checks to help you avoid deleting the wrong item. Start by signing in to your Sellfy account and heading to the Products area from the menu on the left. This section is your product dashboard. It's where every digital download, physical item, or subscription you've added is listed. Take a moment to locate the product you want to remove. If you have a lot of items, use the search bar or filters to zero in on the exact listing. Next, click the product to open its editor. You're now in the product's details view, where you can see the title, description, pricing, and media. This is a great moment to confirm you're looking at the right item. Double-check the name, thumbnail, or any unique details so you don't remove something you intend to keep. Now look for the delete control. Depending on your layout, you'll either find a More or three-dot menu with additional actions, or you may see a Delete Product option, often represented by a trash bin icon. This is typically located near the bottom of the page or within the Product Actions area. If it's not immediately visible, scroll through the editor to find it. When you're ready, choose Delete. A confirmation prompt will appear. Read the message carefully. It will remind you that deletion is permanent. Confirm the prompt to proceed. Once confirmed, Sellfy permanently removes the product and its dedicated product page. That means the item disappears from your storefront, and any direct links to its page will no longer work. Before you confirm, it's wise to pause for a final review. Ensure the product name and preview image match what you intend to delete. If you think you might need the information later, consider saving the text from the description or noting the price for your records before you remove it. If you don't see the delete option, make sure you're actually inside the product editor and not just viewing the product list. The option may be tucked under the More menu, and labels can vary slightly as interfaces are updated, so scan carefully. And that's all there is to it. Open Products, select the item, find the delete option under More or at the bottom, then confirm. You've successfully removed the product and its page from your Sellfy store.